Hey, this is Nathaniel back with coding-bootcamps.com, and in this section we are going to be talking about upserting data. So we're back here in our CRUD file, picking off from where we left off in section 5, where we inserted an employee and then we were updating multiple fields in that employee record. And we've got everything else commented out in this file. All we're doing is again clearing the database, creating a new document by inserting it here, and then updating that document, both of these fields, first name and last name. But you'll see here I've added one little bit of code, upsert. So upsert basically is telling the find command, or excuse me, the update command, that if this record exists, we want to update it. If it doesn't exist, we want to upsert it, which means we just want to create it in the database. So what this means is we should be able to run this command and get the exact result that we got in section 5, which is we should get the employee with his first and last name updated. We're creating him here and updating the document. So this should not change anything that happens in this script, and this is all that we've added since we did this same example in the last section. So let's save that and let's return to our terminal and run our CRUD file again. And we see here that we have our record with the first and last name updated. Awesome. I'm going to clear the terminal and we're going to go back to our JavaScript file. And now you see this one statement here where we insert the employee. We're going to remove this. Oops. Just comment it out. What are we expecting to happen now? When we get to the update, the employee does not exist. We're expecting for the employee to be created. Just make sure I've saved the file and let's run it. And here we go. See, we have updating document, acknowledged true, matched count 0 instead of 1 because we didn't find a document, upserted ID, which is the ID of the document that Mongo is assigning to us for the new document we're creating. So this one update command is not finding the document to exist. So matched count is 0, modified count is 0, but it is upserting it. So it's just creating it. And we get that ID back. And when we go and read the document, we see this same ID ending in 37 right here. This is the one we've created, Johnny Boy Prometheus. And just a reminder that if we go back here, nowhere in here are we inserting an employee record. We're defining the employee and we're updating the employee with an upsert flag, telling it if this employee doesn't exist, then just go ahead and create him. And then we're printing the result down here. And with that said, I will see you in the next section.